Reducing costs, managing replacement cycles better, making things easier for technicians and for staff, it's important to be continually looking at ways to improve your fleet department.
Improving processes. I think every time I look at something, or it's how do we make that better? So if it's analytics on replacement cycles, life cycle costing, how do we say, what are we looking at? What are we not looking at? How are we effectively replacing our fleet? Is there a way to reduce cost, improve performance? Are we looking at the right classifications for engine or tow package, things like that? And what may help us on our resale value? Also making it more user-friendly for our technicians, our admin staff, for our drivers. Is there things that we can do to make their operations better?